In today's video, we are going to see a brief introduction to indirect taxes. The taxes that are levied by the government on goods and services instead of your income or profit are called indirect taxes. Under indirect taxes, the burden of tax shifts from one taxpayer to another and spreads across the supply chain. With the introduction of GST in 2017, we no longer have the following taxes: customs duty, central excise duty, service tax, central sales tax, and VAT or value added tax. But what was the need for such a reform? Pre-GST, the tax burden on the final consumer was very heavy due to the cascading effect. Now, let's try to understand what the cascading effect actually means. When there is tax on tax levied on a product at every step of the sale, it is called cascading effect. On the 1st of July 2017, GST was introduced with an intention to eliminate this tax on tax scenario. Keep following us for more finance related content.